So we have there the adverse frequency, right? Okay, can you give me an example or can you give me a present verb here? Okay, yes, let's say I always drink a cup of coffee. That's very good. Okay, how about this one? Usually. Okay, you usually go to the mall. It's very good. Sometimes. They sometimes go to the market. How about never? Yes, that's right. They never, let's have another verb, learn Chinese. Okay, that's very good. If the subjects are she and he, you just simply put as with our verbs, okay? So you just say, she drinks. And then here becomes goes. That's very good. Goes the same. And this one is learns. Okay, learns Chinese. As easy as that, right? Okay, now let's have speaking practice here. I have here a picture. This is Mr. and Mrs. Gold's house. Mr. and Mrs. Gold invites visitors or guests every day. So, let's try to take a look what the guests do in Mr. and Mrs. house every day. Okay, let's say, oh, Mr. and Mrs. Gold, what do they do? Or what time do they go to bed every day or every night? It's 12 o'clock, alright, so we say, Mr. and Mrs. Gold, Mr. and Mrs. Gold go to bed at 12 midnight. Okay, that's right. And here, let's take a look. What does Miss Orange do every day? Miss Orange reads a book every day. And let's have Mr. Blue. What does Mr. Blue do every day? That's right, Mr. Blue watches TV every day. How about Mr. White and Mrs. Blue? Yes, Mr. White and Mrs. Blue sings a song every day. Let's say sing a song every day. Okay. Now how about Mr. Black and Mr. Green? Mr. Black and Mr. Green play poker every day. And let's have Mr. Brown. Look at there. That's Mr. Brown and Miss Gray. What do they do? Mr. Brown and Miss Gray. How do you call this game? Yeah, we call it billiards. Play billiards every day. Okay, let's try to take a look at our time. Let's say 12 midnight every day. 12, this every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. See, this is habitual action. So, let's take a look at our verb. Go is a present simple. Reads. Mr. Blue watches. And let's have Mr. White and Mrs. Blue sing. Then we have play and also we have play. So, very easy. Do you understand me? Okay, very good.